21. Standing dumbbell wall curl is a highly effective exercise to increase the time under tension for your biceps at every range of the motion during the curl. To get started, while holding a pair of dumbbells with a palms facing out grip, stand with your butt, back, and head flat against a wall. Your feet should be approximately 6 inches from the wall, shoulder width apart. With your core and glutes contracted, and your arms fully extended with your elbows tight to your sides, bend your elbows to contract your biceps and curl the dumbbells, but stop at the halfway point in the range of motion where your forearms are parallel to the floor. Slowly lower the dumbbells to fully extend your elbows, then repeat, completing a total of 7 reps in this limited range of motion. After your 7th rep, complete 7 more reps, but this time, the start of the range of motion is when your forearms are parallel to the ground and finish at the top of the range towards your shoulders. After 7 reps, fully extend your arms to the bottom range and complete the last 7 reps with full range of motion. Remember, your elbows should be locked to your sides with only the curling movement coming at the elbow joint. Repeat.
Make sure you subscribe for more Live Lean exercise demos.